Today's guest is Marko Keskinen. Marko is a university lecturer and researcher at the Water and Development Research Group of Aalto University. His expertise covers water resources management, environmental governance, as well as integrated approaches. His research looks at the management of water and related natural resources in Southeast Asia, with focus on transboundary settings, such as the Mekong River Basin shared by several countries. Hello and welcome, Marko, to this course. The name of the course is Sustainable Energy, and today we're going to discuss about what is sustainability. So can you give your view? What is sustainability?
Well, it sounds easy. Thanks for asking, but it turns out not always to be so easy. So I would argue that there are really different ways to look at what sustainability is. Sometimes we talk about intergenerational equity, so related to the past and present and future. Sometimes we talk about sustainable energy or sustainable natural resources management in terms of being economically, socially and environmentally balanced. And sometimes we talk about those actors being involved in those things. So in my presentation I try to clarify perhaps how I see that there are actually different ways to look at and categorize sustainability. And I feel that it's quite an interesting topic actually to look at and think.
Okay, so why do you think it's important to define what sustainability means?
Well, sustainability is very commonly used terms. We have sustainable energy, sustainable water, sustainable development, sustainable growth. But while it's commonly used, it's not often so clearly defined what we mean by it. And as I will show in my presentation, I think this vagueness is both a pro and a con. It brings some benefits because different people find sustainability and sustainable aspects attractive and can kind of link their actions to that. But at the same time I feel it might be problematic, because if we don't really define it clearly, or at least if we don't speak it on the same terms, then it becomes challenging, because one person or actor is working in completely different way of in sustainable manner or way than the other, and they both essentially use the same term.
Okay, thank you. Looking forward to your lecture.
Thank you.